Lat Pulldown. You can use a wide variety of different grips on this exercise, but we will show how to do the movement with a regular pull-down bar at around shoulder width. Grab the bar around shoulder width and let the weight stretch your back. Start the pulling motion by first squeezing your shoulder blades down and then pulling your elbows down and back. Arch your upper back slightly, like you're opening up your chest. You should pull the bar up to your clavicle. How close you come to the clavicle will depend on your mobility. Squeeze the lats at the bottom and then control the bar back up. Let the weight stretch your back once again before you start your next rep. Common mistake: pulling too low. A commonly seen mistake is pulling too low. A lot of people tend to pull the bar close to their stomach or lower chest. Although this isn't inherently bad, it defeats the purpose of this exercise, which is to be a vertical pulling motion. Common mistake: pulling with your arms and no arch in the back. These two go hand in hand, as when you don't arch enough, you cannot properly engage the lats, and you end up using your arms too much.